subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new mid-range 5G phone in South Korea called Galaxy White 5 with a unique camera design. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy White 5 features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a V-shaped notch at the top center that houses an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup in a squarish model at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 115-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy White 5 comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 with One UI skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.2 by 76.4 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 207 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy White 5 has been priced in South Korea at 449,900 Korean wons, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black, white and blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy White 5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.